When we have snow here, it is gorgeous. But we live on top of a hill that overlooks the Columbia River, which means we have to go up and down quite an incline, which is about, how big would you say, John?
It's a badass incline.
Okay, good enough. The other night at sunset, we really needed to go to the store. So we took a chance going down, hoping we could get back up. Otherwise, we have to park at the bottom of the hill and carry our groceries up. See ya! There's an alarm going off. Whose alarm is that?
I don't know.
Am I not in?
I don't know what's going on. I have no idea, Betsy. I'm driving here.
Okay.
Okay.
It's somebody's seatbelt.
Oh, yeah, probably, yeah.
That's all it is.
My seatbelt on.
Not an alarm for you. It's an alarm on your driving.
We flip over, I want to be thrown from the car.
Oh.
Not.
Oh.
Okay. I'm not gonna build up speed if I can help it. I'd rather end up in the ditch than over the cliff.
Oh, so beautiful out.
Looks like somebody had some trouble getting up here. Oh, that's somebody's dragging something.
Oh. Ow, it hit my head. So pretty. Oh. Still have lunch in my teeth.
You got lunch in your teeth?
Lunch in my teeth. That's where we have to park. Oh, Julie's comes that way. So obviously she didn't make it back up. We're going to have to walk back on that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fucking halfway.
Good drive it then Bruce can't get up and down. We're going to get up and down. So I'll leave it open. I'm going to have to roll this up. I didn't know I have the stupid window.